Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Earth Day, so enjoy the day. It's sunny but cool here in Chicago, and everyone do their part to try to preserve Earth. As far as the overnight markets are concerned, things are higher. You've got May beans at 15.18, July almost at 15, and November at 13.24. You got the July meal up $3.50 at $4.1950, and oil is higher with the May at $61.49 and the July at $58.24. As far as May corn is, we're at $6.36, July's at $6.12, November's at $5.41. Nearby Chicago wheat $6.81, Kansas City $6.38, and Minneapolis $6.83. And we note that July, Minneapolis is at $6.95, up 9 cents. Export sales today, we could see, again, zero old crop wheat, maybe 200,000 to 500,000 tons of new crop, 300,000 to 800,000 old crop corn, 50 to 300 new crop, and maybe a negative bean to maybe positive 200,000 tons old crop beans and 250 to 500 new crop beans. There was talk yesterday that China came in and bought 1.5 to 2 million tons of U.S. new crop corn. China may have also bought up to 1 million tons of new crop French wheat. And we also note that all of the values in China, beans, meal, and the veg oils are all trading higher. And that Matif and Canada rapeseed prices are higher again and making continued new contract highs. As far as weather is concerned, it was cold across parts of the southern Ohio into Virginia and North Carolina overnight. We'll see if that had any impact on the wheat there. We do think there was a little bit of damage to wheat in Oklahoma, but overall, hard red winter wheat crop should be okay, and so should the Delta soft red winter wheat crop. It still is going to be dry across the northern plains in Canada. It's going to warm up in the southern plains for a couple of days, and it looks like precip will be limited to the eastern part of the hard red winter wheat area. Over the next 2 weeks, the U.S. Midwest could see a chance of some good rains to help soils there and planting conditions, although both Europe and U.S. early spring crop development has been slowed due to this cold weather. It continues to be dry in Brazil and also wet in Argentina. There's talk about Brazil buying U.S. corn for northern Brazil and Argentina corn for southern Brazil. We don't want to particularly pick a certain year, but let's say the summer is dry here in the United States. Back in 2012 on April 1, D's corn was at $5.40, rallied to $8.21. And at the same time, November beans were trading at $13.63. They rallied to $16.92. In 2008, D's corn was at $5.73, rallied to $7.99. And beans, November, were at $10.85, and they rallied to $16.37. So again, I think the path of least resistance is on the upside, on tightening U.S. supplies, some global weather issues, and the fact that once more people are vaccinated, they could increase food, fuel demand. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like yourself would like to be treated.